habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to AskLouieB. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. Now let's talk about the post-meeting. There are three key phrases here. Documentation of agreements, where you send the email with the minutes of the meeting right after, documenting highlights of the discussion, and of course, who will do what by when. Then, the follow-through of the agreements need to happen. You will ensure submission of all committed information and documents, proposals, product catalog, purchase orders, and others, and also ensure that the client or partner also does his part and delivers any information needed. Planning on next steps will pertain to you preparing for the next meeting, next interaction, and next communication with the client. And this is best done within 24 hours as there are urgent agreements that need to be completed by either the client or by other departments in our organization or by you as a sales professional. Don't forget, the success of any meeting or any interaction, whether in-person meetings or virtual meetings in this new normal, is dependent on what you do before, what you do during that meeting, and what you do after. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.